Ship recyclers of Alang not only engaging in financial and commercial activities, but they are also enhancing hidden capacities and motivate their workers, staff members by organizing sports activities. According to Mr.Vishalraj of Leela Group, they have organized 3 events. 105 participants have enjoyed sports from their respective 4 ship recycling plots and they have played together. Such events were organized for team building activities and can have fun of sports that beyond the routine works. Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping Inbox. Today our valued viewers may get knowledge about how ship recycling workers playing sports in playground as part of team building activities. Without wasting time, let's move to the playground and enjoy the games.
We at Leela Worldwide and Leela Ship Recycling group of companies having 4 ship recycling yards, motivating laborers to do other activities like sports.
लीला गेम्स का दूसरा साल है। हमारे चारों प्लॉट की टीम, साथ में गेस्ट की टीम, हमारे ऑडिटर, वो सब हमने इस बार इनवाइट किए हैं। 105 लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। इस बारी हमने आयोजन 3 गेम्स का किया है। एक 3 किलोमीटर की दौड़, फिर वॉलीबॉल और टग ऑफ वॉर। ये हमने इसलिए किया ताकि हमारा टीम बिल्डिंग हो, सारे एक काम के बाहर भी सब मिले, एक मिलजुलता साथ में हो।
Video till the end. We'll meet you in next video with another interesting and motivational stories from shipping and maritime sector. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.